Spread the word. Top Shatters is back. Kiss me, baby.
I kissed him in Miami.
Oh.
I'm the first. Alright, Kartel, guys. I Fort Lauderdale. Guys, I Fort Lauderdale.
Now I do that video for show no something about the Marley them and how them stay. And Road Marley will tell me to suck my mother for show how corrupt and wicked these people are. When I catch the levels 2017, who win the Grammy? Ziggy Marley.
Uno member fi subscribe.
Yeah, man. That's an rate. Remember, we're there in LA. That's a nation, some father bank. And how much it has sell for. Yeah.
Happy to see you online, man.
Yeah, respect you, respect. Respect, yeah. You know, an ambulance I'm sent for me. You hear me? Chip me chicken or fire truck.
Welcome Jamaica Action Nation. Big up to all of the subscribers, and if you're new here, just go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Alright, so we want to talk about this whole Grammy situation now with Vybz Kartel. Or you know, it was upsetting, I guess, that he never win, yeah, for a lot of fans like myself. And the fact that Bob Marley again win another Grammy, or you know, Bob Marley family win a Grammy. Why can anybody compete when it comes to them Grammy Academy Day? When it comes to Bob Marley, you know, it's like from Bob Marley name in our category, it's like you're not going. That me get from this situation right here, so now I go on. And keep in mind, say Kartel, I've been doing music for a long time, so I'm not just forward on the music scene. I've been doing music over 20-something years. Kartel been doing music from him black till him brown, now him white. Oh, you see me? But it's, I don't know how I feel about that. You know, Bob Marley is one of the greatest artists of all time, in my opinion, when it comes to, you know, just everything when him lyrics wise, and that's what him tell the people him, you know. And furthermore, you know, don't know, say Jamaica is Bob Marley's home, you know what I mean? And big up to Bob Marley, him put Jamaica on the map when it comes to certain things, because enough people wouldn't know Jamaica if it wasn't for Bob. However, you know, that don't like degrade the fact that enough people out there, as far as music is concerned, that are putting in the work, you know, putting in good work when it comes to music. I don't know if the album here for Vybz Kartel, Party With Me, was probably the best album suggestion for the Grammy. But to tell you the truth, To Tanisha is a big Grammy album. I always want to see the album they get some type of recognition, because to tell you the truth, he really put a lot of work into that album. To Tanisha, if you not listen to the album there, are you not listening for a long time, go back and listen to it. You know what I mean? It's a good album. It's a good clean album you can listen to, and anybody can listen to it. I feel like said that album they really should have get the Grammy nod or the suggestion for Vybz. I don't know why it wasn't in the mix or in the pot, but hopefully next time, I don't know, him can, you know, get a better forward with the album. And as far as you know, the whole Bob Marley something go, like me say, Bob Marley do a lot for Jamaica, but we just want to see some other artists that been putting in the work that, you know, is world known. Because I mean, Vybz Kartel is known throughout the world. You see it when he reach, everybody, whoa, Vybz. All man I walk on the street and I yell him. So me I say, so you know, me don't know how I feel about that. Me just feel like it was a big disappointment to the Gaza camp and to all the fans around the world that, you know, rate Vybz and see what I go on now. You know what I mean? Man, get back in visa, it could have been a good situation for him to just get that Grammy there and then close out the deal. But I don't know. You want to feel about it? You don't know? Put it in the comment section, make we talk about it. But the brother here, right, you know, did have a lot to say about Bob Marley and his family. So I'm going to play that clip of phone now and want to hear what you think in the comment section. Watch it now.
Now I do that video for show no something about the Marley them and how them stay. And Road Marley will tell me to suck my mother for show how corrupt and wicked these people are. When I catch the levels 2017, who win the Grammy? Ziggy Marley. 2018, who win the Grammy? Damian Marley, Junior Gang, good album, Stony Hill. But I want to listen me now. Chronics was at his nine peak at the time when 2017, 2018, when the Marleys them win the album. Chronic was nominated in 2018 for him album. The biggest reggae song that in the album there was one of the biggest album in a reggae music, and then fight against Chronics. When I realized the Chronics not really do no music, after that coming to 2015, no where we there, because the Marley them sabotage him and discredit him work, and him not make no sense. A man a work for the best at him craft, and people are gatekeep him. That them do Chronics and discourage him. And nobody now work hard and put in hard work in a music and can't reach the pinnacle where they want to reach. But the Marley them do it and fight Chronics because they want the Marley name step on top like them alone response to music. We now discredit Bob Marley work. He has done a lot for the genre and for the music. But however, what happened to the people them after Bob Marley? Bob Marley don't get a lifetime achievement awards already. Check your levels now. 2023, who win the Grammy? We're not doing the research, you know. 2024, who win the Grammy? 2025, who win the Grammy? 2023, you know who win the Grammy? Jesse Royal. You know who produced the album there? And other people get nominated too. But who win the Grammy? Marley them produced the album and win the Grammy for Jesse Royal. 2024, who win the Grammy? Wanna comment and tell me. 2025, who win the Grammy? And the Grammy and a Bob Marley win the Grammy is a cover version. It's a cover album. Shensia upon it and other artists upon it. I sing over Bob Marley song. What kind of more recognition Bob Marley want? So I'm to the people when we work in a music. Them discourage Chronics. That's why I'm not hearing a song from Chronics. But them now come out, come talk the truth. I break it down to them. I never was saying them. Remember say me a Spanish Town native. And Road Marley, remember you're a Spanish Town native too. And you go tell me if you suck my mother because I talk the truth. And you go over Mount Amassey and other page, I tell them if you suck my mother. So you make a public mischief against me, and I tell them if you suck my mother because I talk the truth. So I want to go over Rowan Marley page and say, I'm a matter of fact, I need a public apology. Because I find it very distasteful for you disrespect me that way there. Because I talk the truth. You could have dealt better if you disagree with me, but you could tell me suck my mother, me love my mother, me take care of my mother. They're very disrespectful. And these are the Marleys me I tell about. Them dirty style.
Yes, viewers and subscribers. So I don't know if you don't agree with this brother here, but him definitely share him point of view when him think about the Marley them and what go on with this whole Grammy situation. Now, I was always curious as to why Chronics not come out with no more new music and why me not hear Chronics. Well, this kind of explained to me and kind of put things into perspective, and now me kind of understand why Chronic now make no music. Well, at least part of it. I don't know what to think, but me don't like to hear. So now just leave it in the comment section below. And like me say, if you don't subscribe to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe and just smash up the like button. Alright, now go and be safe, and till the next time, I'm out.